Hi.
Hi.
What are you doing?
I stand on stuff.
What do you want to show Annie something?
Yes.
What do you want to show her?
My new playhouse Dad built for me.
Your new playhouse that Dad built for you? Can we see Johnny here? Hello.
Hello, Daddy.
There's Maya and Genevieve. Oh, can you pick up your bracelet? Okay, let's go check out the playhouse Daddy built. And we can show Annie. When she comes to visit, she gets to play on it.
I don't have a door, Mom.
It doesn't have a door? Okay, show Annie how it works.
I need this down and this go.
Nice job, Dad. Tell Annie how much fun it is walking up the stairs.
You walk upstairs is my fun. Oh,
What's wrong?
I just hear noise.
You heard a noise?
Go ahead, I'll go with you. Go ahead. It's all right. You heard a noise, huh? You have your little... Have Mom get you through the window.
And I got this window.
Oh! What is this, a little house in here?
And there's a loft up there.
There's what?
Loft up there.
Oh, a loft. We gotta get some carpet so you and Annie can be up there.
And sleeping bags.
Sleeping bags. Can you shut the shutters? Very nice. When do you shut the shutters?
Oh, when it's cloudy.
When it's cloudy?
But it's rainy and it's getting started and no rain can get in here.
Okay. Well, we gotta get a ladder for the loft, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Your daddy's been working hard, huh? You anything you want to say?
I don't know.
How about you, Dad?
No.
About you, Mom.
What name are we trying out this week?
Genevieve.
You're cute.
And I will go down the steps.
All right, be careful.
Be careful, guys.
Okay. We're gonna stay up here. I'm gonna shut the gate.
Why? I'm going inside.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Tell Bucky.
Okay, goodbye.
Jeez. This is frightening. Bye, Maya.
Bye.
Bye. Like that?
Why don't you let me get a picture?
No, that's frightening. Bye. Go Vikings.